When visiting Colonial Williamsburg during the Christmas season, there is another magical place that lies not too far away from the old colonial capital, and it's only one time of year that it comes to life. Busch Gardens Christmastown. Sarah and I were so excited to be back in 2021. We were here 2 years ago during the holidays. We never stopped talking about it. Tonight, we had so much planned, with the ultimate goal of stirring up some Christmas spirit inside us as we explored the entire park, decked out for the holidays. We had decided the best way to do this would be to hitch a ride on the Christmastown Express, making a stop in each country as we pass by it, and giving everyone out there a chance to take in some of the sights and sounds at each country that resides here in Christmastown. Our tour would start in New France at the Christmastown Express Depot station, before trekking out to the countries of France, Ireland, England, Scotland, Italy, and Germany. Then we'd grab dinner back in New France and cap off our evening with a new live show performance in Christmastown called Celtic Fire. As you watch this visual tour of the park, my hope is you find yourself too a little more in the spirit of the season as we visit the countries of many good people and the festive lands found all throughout the 2021 Busch Gardens Christmastown in Williamsburg, Virginia. Quickly navigating through the New France section of Christmastown, Sarah was afraid we might miss the train departure. But good luck was on our side, and we made it to the depot station, right in the nick of time. As the conductor sounded the train's whistle, we were off to our next country, France. Santa and his lead reindeer were gracing the fine white bulbs that signaled a fresh snowfall, while a friendly snowman gave us a frosty welcome. The soft pink and purplish hues and decorative French accents and fixtures on display in this little Christmas city made the experience simply mesmerizing. As the train led us to our next country, I was excited to walk through one of my favorite lands at Busch Gardens Christmastown, based on the town of Killarney in southwestern Ireland. The old drawbridge proudly represented the city's name, with all of its ivy and holly green touches that allowed for the prettiest picture you've ever seen. It's here where later in the evening, we would enjoy Celtic Fire, a new live performance showing at the Abbey Stone Theatre that celebrates Irish dance. I love the look of Killarney's old Irish pub storefront, as well as the accents and decor that draw you into your surroundings here. hidden alleyway fire was the perfect stop to warm our mittens while gazing at the pathway clad in the colors of Ireland's flag, setting the mood as you gradually glide through the magical fields of the countryside. Our next stop might easily be the most popular, and one that you first embark on when entering through Christmastown's front gates. The country of England, truly a sight to see on a cold December night in Williamsburg. As the locomotive led us deeper through Christmastown and passing by our next settlement, the glistening fable of Scotland's Loch Ness Monster greeted us upon our entry. The lush forest blue aura gently shined upon this Scottish hamlet sitting upon the hilltop, putting off a pleasant feeling of peace and calmness as you walked through. Shining brightly and elegantly beside what is known as the Polar Pathway, located in Italy, the ride Escape from Pompeii wore its most dazzling lighting arrangement just in time for the Christmas season. This area is truly a winter wonderland that adorns millions of lights that mimic a sparkling waterfall of many wintry wonders. couple weeks until Christmas, and this exciting evening inside the Italian city of San Marco had my imagination running wild. Also, carefully nestled here is the blessed and sacred nativity scene of our Savior, Christ the Lord. With only one final country left before dinner and our show, we stuck around in the Holiday Hills section of Italy to look around a bit before venturing into Germany. Sarah always insists I ride a couple of her favorite holiday-themed rides, the Snowman Summit and the Peppermint Twist, each time we come to Christmastown. She really loves them, and I do too. A chance for us to get away from life's normal routines, have some fun, make some fresh memories together during our favorite time of the year. Ones that I won't soon forget. Back aboard the Christmastown Express, Germany was awaiting our arrival, and no better time to visit this country in the park than at Christmas time. A walk under the rugged wooden bridge led us through into the North Pole side of Germany for a walkabout, window shopping, and some cheerful exploration. final leg of our ride along the Christmastown Express unveiled the magic of even more carefully placed lighting displays, further fueling the spirit of Christmas we long for with each holiday adventure we find ourselves on. We stopped back into New France for a warm dinner together from Trapper's Smokehouse, which operates from a beautiful log lodge-style cabin and serves up some of the best hot and delicious smoked meat options, along with the comfort of a warm, buttery biscuit placed on the side. All of which would make for the perfect prelude played out under a cold Virginia nighttime sky before experiencing the grand finale of our evening spent at Christmastown. As we watched the talented performers of Celtic Fire live at the Abbey Stone Theater, I was amazed at the skill and the ability of each performer on stage, each well-versed with their part and delivering with such obvious passion and full-fledged heart and soul behind every step, action, and vocal. A truly remarkable live presentation to experience with Sarah, and one that made the perfect ending for our evening together at Christmastown. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll see you on the next one.